I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by CoinKite.com, bringing you the best hardware to secure your Bitcoin. The cold card queue, the tap signer, the block log, and plenty more goodies can be found over at CoinKite.com. Use code BTC Sessions for a nice discount at checkout.
The tools we use are dynamic. There was a time, which was pretty significant, about a couple of years, where the Moon wallet was just like the best, and it worked so flawlessly for several years. And I'm very grateful for it because it was kind of a lifesaver for several years. You know, its model doesn't work as well anymore. The team is amazing, and I think they're going to build new things that are going to help a lot of people. We've now got other tools we've been using. You know, it's regrettable in terms of Americans, but the Phoenix wallet remains unbelievable. You know, I was using it all over the world the past year, and it just was so flawless and so smooth. And they kept coming out with such cool features that really make sense for people. Unfortunately, you know, due to the Biden administration's, ongoing crackdown on cryptocurrency privacy, essentially, they decided to leave. So that paves the way for other tools to take their place. I'm very bullish on Mutiny wallet. I was using it this week. I think it's quite cool. I think it works really well. I love the trade-offs they make with new users, kind of coming into to essentially a Fediment. And then as you get more capital, you become a self-custodial user. I think trying to chart out the journey of a new user is really important because, like, for most of us, you know, look, I mean, most people like me who came into Bitcoin in the 2016-17 era, like we all started with custodial, like Coinbase or something. Like we bought some Bitcoin and we were like, oh, okay, now what do we do with it? Like there was always a starting point, which was non-ideal. And then as we learned more, we got closer to where we needed to be. I remain very empathetic about that. People are going to start somewhere, and then that's not where their journey ends, right? Their journey continues. And with the help of people like you, Ben, they get to where they need to be. But there's no like harm in them starting at point A. The harm would be if they don't progress, right? But everybody starts somewhere, and I think these new tools are becoming more empathetic to that. I remember 5 years ago when you were trying to like tip your barber in Bitcoin. It's like impossible because a lot of the wallets, you would download them and it would make you like write down 12 or 24 words before you could use the wallet, and it's just like that's just a killer. That's just not going to work. So I love the fact that they're becoming smarter about you can just use it immediately, and then there's like a little like signal or a reminder, or like it's a visual that says this is not backed up yet, and it like helps you over time. You're going to do that. I think the way Aqua Wallet does that's very interesting as well. So I think we have the tools. They continue to improve. I'm excited to see where they go from here. We need to support our wallet builders, and we need to support people building on Lightning while we can. I mean, you know, I do think eventually that like self-custodial Lightning is going to be challenging. I just don't think we're there yet. I think there's going to be spike fee moments like we've just seen, but generally speaking, like these wallets, they work really well. And if we can just get people into Lightning, get them to top up, have some capital in there, man, this thing works really well. This technology works really well. So I continue to be very bullish on that stuff.